Telic.
Yo, what's up guys? Kobe here right now, and today I got two little products what are actually pretty nice, what I'm using in conjunction with one another. Basically what this is the newer boom arm. It was about 20 bucks on Amazon, so pretty expensive, but it is made out of aluminum, so it is sturdy enough. And right now I also have the Deadcat for the Rode video mic Go on this as well. And as you see, it's pretty windy outside and everything like that. So yeah, it's also pretty cold, nice Canada winter day. But this is basically a testament to both of these products right now, to the boom arm to see if it could withhold the wind going on right now, and for the actual Deadcat to suppress the actual wind noise compared to the actual just pop filter. So hopefully this test works out and everything is A1. The audio might be a little bad. I'm using the built-in preamp in my Canon camera. I know, right? Terrible. But with that aside, hopefully that we get a lot of the actual wind noise away. I'm just gonna test it out without the actual Deadcat. I think you guys can hear it. Put this guy back on now. Alright, so hopefully we could just hear a little sound comparison, and there was a noticeable difference. I haven't heard this or tested it out before, so I'm experiencing this firsthand with you guys. So fingers crossed, hope this works. Alright, take it easy guys. Woo. There we go. Yo. Extend a little bit like Snowcat right there, but change of the scenery a little bit, and I'm in the Caribbean right now, so I thought I may as well bring along this setup as well. May see some good use out of it and all that. But right now, I'm just testing out in a different scenery because, as some people may know, that not everyone lives in the same climate, weather, or anything along those lines. So right now, I'm on a beach, and it's a little bit windy, so another perfect spot to actually use the Deadcat itself. And yeah, once more, let's just see how everything sounds right now. Like before, I'll be taking off the actual Deadcat itself and just letting it be naked and with the sound cat or Deadcat. So here we go. Beautiful out here as well. So just speaking at a normal tone like before, just without the sound cat on, and it's not too windy, but windy enough to still need a Deadcat. So let's put this guy back on now. Alright, so that was a quick comparison once more, just different weather like I told you and all that. And I'm still plugging this into my preamp like before in my built-in Canon camera, so audio might not sound the greatest as I stated before. The only difference in this is I'm using my wireless pack to connect it instead of just a cable itself. But yeah, that was the test. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, rate, subscribe, and all of the above, guys. Peace out. My Instagram and Facebook right here, and don't forget to like those pages. Peace.